Hi, today I'm with me Cat S75 and I'll show you how to turn on always on display option on this device. So if you want to activate the AD feature on your Cat phone and you don't know how to do that, you should first open the Play Store and get the MuvizEdge application from the Play Store because unfortunately we have no installed by default the MuvizEdge and AD option on our device. That's why in the search we'll enter MuvizEdge. So now we should get this first application. That's why tap the install button and wait a couple of seconds. After that, tap to open the app, click to draw over apps, find MuvizEdge application, click allow display our other apps and go back. Here, switch Edge Light to AID, select one from the available tabs, tap to apply, and now let's lock the device. And we could see that we just successfully activated the always on display option on our Cat phone. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.